Good morning, madam and everyone. My name is Abdurrahman, and today I will be presented on the topic component of transportation, road transportation English. Transportation is an important part of our daily life because it allows people and goods to move from one place to another. In Malaysia, road transportation is the most commonly used mode of transport and play a significant role in supporting economic growth and social development. In this presentation, I will discuss the characteristic of road transportation, its important advantage and disadvantage, infrastructure policy stakeholder, and a case study recommendation for improvement. Transportation is essential because it connects people, businesses, and communities. It enables the movement of goods and services which support trade, tourism, education, and industry activity. In Malaysia, road transportation is the most widely used transportation mode because it provides convenient access to almost every location. It connects urban cities with rural areas and helps people travel for work, education, healthcare, and leisure. Without an efficient road transportation system, economic activity will be slower. Businesses will face challenges and people will have difficulty accessing essential service. Therefore, road transportation is one of the key foundations of Malaysia's development. Road transportation in Malaysia has several important characteristics. First, it provides door-to-door delivery service. This means goods can be transported directly from supplier to customer without changing transportation modes. Second, road network connect factory, industrial areas, warehouse, and ports. This allows businesses to transport raw material and finishes product efficiently. Another characteristic is the variety of vehicle used. Passenger vehicles such as car and motorcycle are commonly used for daily travel, while truck and lorry transport goods across the country. Road transportation is also flexible and accessible because users can choose their own route and schedule according to their needs. Road transportation has a large capacity and extensive coverage throughout Malaysia. Roads are capable of carrying millions of passengers and large amounts of goods every day. Malaysia has one of the most extensive road networks in Southeast Asia. This road connect major city, rural village, and even remote regions. In terms of speed, vehicle can travel up to 110 km per hour on expressway, allowing faster movement between states. Urban roads have lower speed limit to ensure safety. Because of its wide coverage and flexibility, road transportation remains the preferred choice for many Malaysians. Road transportation provides both social and economic benefits. Socially, road improve access to healthcare, education, and employment opportunity. People can travel more easily to hospitals, school, university, and workplace. Economically, road transportation support trade, logistics, and business activities. It also facilitates cross-border trade with neighboring countries such as Singapore and Thailand. For example, manufacturers depend on road transportation to deliver product to customer and retailer. Without efficient road network, economic growth will be affected. This road transportation contributes significantly to improving the quality and supporting national development. Road transportation offers several advantages. Firstly, it provides high accessibility and flexibility because it can reach almost every location. Users can select their own routes and travel schedule. Secondly, it is cost-effective for short and medium distance travel as well as freight transportation. However, road transportation also has disadvantage. One major issue is traffic congestion, especially in large cities such as Kuala Lumpur. Heavy traffic causes delays, stress, and loss of productivity. Another challenge is weather disruption. Floods and landslides during heavy rainfall can damage roads and interrupt transportation service. Therefore, while road transportation is convenient, several challenges need to be addressed. Malaysia has developed a strong transportation infrastructure. One of the most important roads is the North-South Expressway, which connects major cities from the Thai border in the north to Johor Bahru in the south. Key transportation hubs include Terminal Bersepadu Selatan, also known as TBS, and Port Klang. These hubs play important role in passenger and freight transportation. Federal Road 3 is another significant road that links the East Coast states such as Johor, Pahang, Terengganu, and Kelantan. This infrastructure help improve connectivity and support economy development across Malaysia. Technology play an increasingly important role in road transportation. Many logistic companies use GPS tracking system to monitor vehicle location and improve delivery efficiency. Electronic toll collection systems such as Touch and Go, RFID, and Smart Tag help improve traffic flow and reduce waiting time at toll plazas. As technology continues to develop, transportation systems are becoming smarter, safer, and more efficient. The Malaysian government has introduced several policies to improve transportation. One example is the National Transport Policy 2019 to 2030, which guides the modernization and development of the country's transportation system. The government also encouraged the use of smart logistics and digital technologies to improve transportation efficiency. However, there are still challenges such as increased vehicle ownership and heavy traffic congestion, especially in urban areas. This issue reduce efficiency and increase transportation costs. The first stakeholder group is government agency. Government agencies are responsible for developing transportation policy, enforcing regulation, and ensuring road safety. Examples include the Ministry of Transport and the Road Transport Department, commonly known as JPJ. Their decisions influence how transportation systems are planned, managed, and improved. Next, the second stakeholder group is transport operator. These include bus companies, logistic companies, freight carriers, and other transportation service providers. Their main responsibility are provide the transportation service, maintain and operational efficiency, insurance, safety, and comply with government regulation. Without transport operator and the movement of passenger goods will be significantly affected. Next, the third stakeholder. Passengers are the primary users of transportation service. They depend on transportation system for daily activity, such as going to work, school, shopping center, and healthcare facility. Passengers expect transportation service to be safe, affordable, comfortable, and reliable. Their feedback is important because it helps improve transportation service. So next, environmental groups and communities. Environmental groups encourage sustainable transportation practice and promote effort to reduce pollution caused by transportation activities. Community organizations represent local residents and work with authorities to improve transportation facility. They also help address issues such as congestion, safety, and accessibility. Both groups play important roles in creating a more sustainable transportation system. Now, I will discuss a case study involving traffic congestion on the Federal Highway. The Federal Highway is one of the busiest highway in the Klang Valley and connects Kuala Lumpur, Petaling Jaya, Shah Alam, and Klang. This highway is used by private cars, motorcycles, buses, and freight vehicles every day. Because of its importance, congestion on this highway has significant impact on commuters and businesses. The main problem is frequent traffic congestion during peak hour due to large number of vehicles using the highway. The stakeholders involved would include government agency, transport operators, daily commuters, logistic company, and local communities. Each stakeholder is affected differently, but all share the goal of improving traffic condition. Traffic congestion has several negative impacts. It increases travel time, which causes frustration and reduces productivity. It also increases fuel consumption and transportation costs. It, in addition, congestion contributes to air pollution because vehicles spend more time on the road while emitted as house gas. Therefore, traffic congestion is not only an economic issue but also environmental issue. Next, recommendation and conclusion. Several solutions can help improve road transportation in Malaysia. First, public transportation should be improved. Better bus and rail service can help encourage people to use public transport instead of private vehicle. Second, better traffic management strategies such as carpooling, flexible working hour, and stricter traffic regulation can help reduce congestion. Third, technology improvement such as intelligent transport management systems, smart traffic signals, and road upgrade can improve traffic flow. In conclusion, road transportation is essential for Malaysia's economy and social development. Okay, that concludes my presentation on road transportation in Malaysia. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided a better understanding of the importance, challenges, and future improvement of road transportation in Malaysia.